Alright, this is the heating and air conditioning controls on the Jeep Wrangler. I am going to show you how to use them, okay? So, I'm going to start from the left, okay? The very basic, the very first thing you need to know is the fan control, the fan speed. This right here is the fan speed. Right now it's currently off. If I turn it to the right, it goes on to high and it blows really fast. All right, now to turn it back off, you go back this way counterclockwise and you turn it off. There's a button right here, okay, in the middle. Like once the AC or heater is on, there's a button that recirculates the air, which means it doesn't take the air from outside, it recirculates the air that's within the car. You press this and it turns on, and there's an indicator that shows that it's recirculating the air within the car, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and turn that off, all right? Next, okay, we're going to go over right here. This is the temperature control, okay? The red is an indicator of the heat, okay? I turn that all the way to the hot heat, and it's blowing hot air. If I go all the way to the left, that's cool and cold air. Now, right here it says AC push. Now, I just turn the air conditioning off. Now, it's still in the cool air, so it's bringing in cooler air, okay? But it will not allow the air conditioning, the cooled or chilled air, to come out until I press this, and it shows that it's indicated right here as AC on, okay? Now we're going to move to the right, okay? This is the third control right here. This controls where the air blowing is blowing at. Right here, it shows that the air is blowing at your face. Right here indicates that the air is blowing at your face and at your feet. Right here, it's indicator that it's blowing at your feet. Right here, it's indicator that it blows on the defrosting onto the windshield and at your feet. And right here is just defrosting blowing at the windshield. Okay, there is another feature, okay? You see this right here? It's the push button, right? So, if I push this, this will turn on the defroster for the rear window, okay? So I'm going to push that, right? And now it's on, and now the rear windows and the side view mirrors will start to defrost, okay? So this is the indicator that is a defrost. All right, that's the controls for the air conditioning and heating unit. Let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope it was detailed. Don't forget to give me a like. Thanks a lot.